If you're a high-income earner going through divorce in Michigan, there's a lot at stake, and one of the biggest questions you're probably asking is, how much alimony will I have to pay? At Adam, we help men navigate this complex issue with strategy and clarity. Because when you have more to lose, you need a legal team that knows exactly how to protect it. Alimony, also called spousal support, isn't calculated using a fixed formula in Michigan. Instead, the court looks at a range of factors: your income, your spouse's income, the length of the marriage, the lifestyle you both shared, and your ability to pay. That means high-income men are often at greater risk of paying more and for longer if you don't approach this the right way. One of the biggest mistakes we see is when men assume the numbers are already set in stone. They're not. Everything from bonuses and commissions to business income and investments can be calculated differently depending on how you present it. And if you're not working with a legal team that understands high net worth divorce, you could end up agreeing to support terms that go well beyond what's fair or even what's legally required. At Adam, we work with financial experts, tax professionals, and forensic accountants when needed to ensure that every dollar in question is accounted for accurately. We help you define your true income, isolate separate property, and avoid inflated claims from the other side. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should automatically pay more. It's also important to know that alimony isn't always permanent. The court can award short-term, rehabilitative, or long-term support depending on your spouse's ability to become self-sufficient. We make sure that any agreement is time-bound, reasonable, and backed by facts, not guilt or pressure. Our goal at Adam is simple: to protect your long-term financial health. That means we don't just negotiate, we prepare to litigate if necessary. We've helped high-earning men across Michigan secure fair, balanced outcomes when it comes to alimony, even in complicated financial situations. If you're concerned about how much you might pay or whether your spouse is making unreasonable demands, we are ready to step in. If you're a high-income earner facing divorce, don't leave alimony to chance. The decisions you make now will affect your financial future for years to come. Contact Adam today to schedule a consultation, and let's build a plan that protects everything you've worked for.